Welcome to the Esoteric Cat Tarot. Today we are asking Spirit to show us what Sagittarius needs to know for retrograde season. Retrograde season isn't about trauma work or shadow work. It's about the return of unfinished business, the stuff that keeps coming back around. Because maybe you didn't learn that lesson the first time, or maybe you just need to be reminded of that lesson. Retrograde is the time to re-examine certain parts of your life so that you can release what no longer serves you and so that you can realign your energy to move forward. While I am shuffling these cards and putting my energy into them, I want you to concentrate and put your energy into these cards. That way we can get the best reading, okay? So we are going to ask Spirit today, what does Sagittarius need to know during this retrograde season? Spirit, what does Sagittarius need to know during this retrograde season? Florida water. Florida water. Natural form, enchanted potion. Red roses, cleansing. Cleansing. You need to cleanse yourself. Retrograde says you need to cleanse yourself. Cleanse yourself, cleanse your house, cleanse your surroundings, spiritually cleanse. Not just physically cleanse. You need to spiritually cleanse yourself and your surroundings. You need to cleanse the negative energy. You need to cleanse the negative energy. Yeah, there is some negative energy around you. Retrograde has brought that up. It's bringing it to your attention, this negative energy. It's bringing it back up. Negative energy from the past, maybe. Someone has shown back up in your life during this retrograde season who is very negative, who brings a lot of negativity into your life. Someone who is toxic, someone who is just a negative Nancy, right? um, and you need to cleanse yourself. You need to cleanse yourself from that person's energy. You need to cleanse yourself. Red roses, red roses. There's a message for you in red roses. Red roses, red, choosing red. A message, red, a red message, a red rose is a message. Enchanted message, a red rose. Enchanted rose. Why am I thinking of Beauty and the Beast? Beauty and the Beast is popping in. I'm not sure. That must mean something to someone. Beauty and the Beast, the red rose. The enchanted red rose. Choosing the rose. Beauty and the Beast. Yeah. There's a message in there for somebody. If that's your message and you want to share, drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments what Beauty and the Beast might mean. Or if you're just a fan of Beauty and the Beast, drop it in the comments. So, let's see what else here. What else is a message that's coming through this message? Because there's a message coming. The message, the red rose, Beauty and the Beast. Retrograde, you need to cleanse yourself. Cleanse yourself. Cleanse yourself of the negative energy. Get rid of the negative energy. Embrace. Look forward. Look forward. Start thinking about the future, not the past. Wow. Look forward to this energy. Look forward to this energy, this different perspective, this infinite possibility that is on the horizon. Look forward to that. In your mind, don't think about the past. Cleanse your mind of negative thoughts. Cleanse your mind of negative thoughts from the past. Um, just let them go. Cleanse your mind of those negative thoughts and only think of future thoughts. Future thoughts, because you are going to excel in the future. You are bringing it all together. The negativity is no longer going to hold you down. It's going to be a power. You're going to use the negative and the positive both so that you can reach out and grab these infinite possibilities. Infinite possibilities. Yeah. Wow. Infinite possibilities. I love it. Infinite possibilities. Still don't know what Beauty and the Beast means, but someone out here watching this does. Someone out here, that means something to you. The red rose, choosing the rose, Beauty and the Beast. There's a message in that. There's a message in that. This is this is just great, right? Things are going infinite possibilities. I mean, infinite possibilities. I don't know why. You see that around her neck? To me, it's making me think of fuzzy dice you put in a car. You know the fuzzy dice you put in a car that you hang from the rearview mirror? That's what it's reminding me of. So that's a message to someone. That's some kind of confirmation messages that are coming through here, Sagittarius, for you. The red rose, Beauty and the Beast, choosing the rose, the enchanted rose, Beauty and the Beast, fuzzy dice from a rearview mirror. These are some things. These are messages that are coming through to you that will only resonate with the person that needs to hear the message, right? The message is a confirmation that this is for you. If these things that are coming through are significant to you, then this is your message and you need to cleanse. You need to cleanse yourself, your life of the negativity. And you need to learn how to balance the negative with the positive. And you have infinite possibilities. Things are going to go amazing when you start looking forward and thinking forward instead of backwards. Let go of the things in the past that retrograde is bringing up. Cleanse yourself. Let go. Cleanse your house. Cleanse your physical body. Cleanse, declutter. Get rid of old things you've been hanging on to. We all do this thing. Oh, I might need this one day. Get rid of that stuff. Free up space. Get the clutter out of your house, the clutter out of your mind, the clutter off of your body, right? Cleanse it. Get rid of all of the negativity. All of the negativity. Because you have infinite possibilities coming in. Once you get rid of all the negativity and you balance out yourself, you balance out your physical and your emotional and your spiritual. Once you balance that out, it's infinite possibilities. The world is your oyster. It's all yours. Infinite possibilities. But you have to get rid of the negative, okay? The things that are coming up this retrograde, it is reminding you that the negative is what is holding you back. So get rid of the negative. Cleanse it all. Okay? Cleanse your whole house with some salt. Sage, salt. If you're interested in a quick little house cleansing, drop me a comment and I'll just tell you a quick little house cleansing that I do in the comments. But yeah, Cleanse your house, declutter, get rid of all the negative, the things that are negative to you. If you look at something, Marie Kondo, that shit. Does this bring you joy? No, get rid of it. Freeze up space to get the things that does bring you joy, right? Frees up space for you to think. Takes all that negative energy away. Lets the chi flow in your area. Because the infinite possibilities, Raven Spirit, the truth. You see the Raven Spirit? Look here. Bird. 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 Messages. Messages. Raven Spirit, truth. The truth. The truth is, it's the message, is the truth that you need to cleanse your soul, your house, your body. And start looking at the future. Start looking at the future. Infinite possibilities. Also, some ancestor messages coming to you. There's some, a little bird told me. A little bird told you. A little bird from the past. That's ancestor. Ancestors, maybe in your dreams. You might be having some dreams. Um, the messages. The messages. The messages. Beauty and the Beast. The enchanted red rose. Picking the red rose. Messages. Lot of here messages for you. Messages. Pay attention to the messages. Messages are coming loud and clear to you. You just have to pay attention to them, okay? Your dreams, the daytime. Synchronicity is real. It's not just by chance. Okay, if you keep seeing, I don't know, a rooster in the clouds for like 4 days, that's telling you a message. If everywhere you go you see a rooster, that's a message to you, right? There are messages. Pay attention to the messages. Your ancestors are communicating with you in messages. Probably the Beauty and the Beast, the enchanted rose, picking the rose. That's probably all coming from your ancestors. That's letting you know that they're here. They're here to support you. They're here to help you. Once you cleanse the negativity, they will help you. They will help you move forward. They got your back. Okay? Your ancestors, they got your back, okay? Start dreaming of the future. Let go of the past. Infinite possibilities in the future. It's written in the stars. Look, it's written in the stars. See, it's written in the stars. Also, the fuzzy dice. Fuzzy dice. All right, let's get a goddess message. Let's get a goddess message here for Sagittarius. Goddess, what do you want Sagittarius to know for this retrograde? Goddess, what is the final message that Sagittarius needs to know in this retrograde season? Well, that one, I didn't want to go back in. So, you know what? This is the message. Now, I am not the best at pronouncing all these names. I'm going to show it to you. Hygeia. 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 The goddess of health. Healing lies in prevention. Treat your body with respect. Treat your body with respect. Cleanse it. Get rid of the negativity. Treat your space with respect. Cleanse it. Get rid of the crap. Get rid of the clutter. I'm telling you, nothing makes you feel better than if you go in your kitchen cabinets with all the chaos that's happening. Pull everything out. Organize just one cabinet. Just one cabinet, completely organize that. Have it look, you open that cabinet, you're like, oh, I can breathe. I feel so much better, right? Clean your space, cleanse your space, cleanse your body, cleanse your mind, cleanse your spirit. Treat your body with respect. Treat your body with respect. All right, Sagittarius, there you go. Fuzzy dice and all. If this resonated with you, drop a comment. Um, let me know what you thought. I will reply to your comments. I love comments. Like this video so that the algorithm knows that you like this video and it'll show it to other people who they think will like this video. And that way we can get more people seeing this video, more people that need to see it. Um, Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Join this community. Subscribe. It's free. You just hit the button that says subscribe and you subscribe. And you know what you get if you subscribe? You get to find out when I post all my readings. Every Thursday, I post a long form reading for the community. And then throughout the month, I do new moon, full moon, and zodiac readings that drop at different times. If you subscribe, you will know this. Also, send this to a friend who needs to hear it. Sagittarius Sun, Moon, or Rising. Send this message. Let them know. Send it in a message and be like, hey, I thought you might want to see this. Or share it on Facebook. Send it on Twitter. Send it in a DM on Instagram. You know, let them know. If this is someone that you think is a big Beauty and the Beast fan, or that, an enchanted rose would mean something for them, or even the fuzzy dice, send this to them. Okay? That's it now. So, love your faces. Get this.